Who else loves chicken liver? Today that's exactly what I'm cooking. First, I slowly cook the onions over low heat until they are soft and golden. I don't know about your area, but this is actually the first time I have found chicken liver at my local store. Is chicken liver easy to find where you live? Meanwhile, I rinse the chicken liver, sort through the pieces, cut them in half, and remove any unwanted parts. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give a like, subscribe to the channel and share your favorite way to cook chicken liver in the comments below. Once the onions are ready, I set them aside. Without washing the pan, I add some butter for extra flavor and start frying the liver. Before cooking, I lightly coat it in the flour to give it slightly crispy texture. Since all the liver doesn't fit in the pan at once, I cook it in 2 batches. Then I return the first batch to the pan along with the onions. I season everything with salt and pepper and cook it together for a few more minutes. I also cover the pan with the lid and let it steam gently over low heat to make sure the liver is fully cooked inside. Do you enjoy chicken liver? And what do you usually serve it with? For serving, I have wheat porridge with butter, chicken liver with onions, and a simple salad made with cabbage, onion, tomatoes, and mayonnaise. Enjoy your meal!